What's up, guys? The World Cup is finally here, and the world's biggest football match will be held at MetLife Stadium in the United States. But there was a problem. This stadium was never built for football. It was built for the NFL. The field was very narrow, there was artificial grass, and the design of the entire stadium did not match the rules of football. So the stadium had to be almost completely rebuilt to host the 2026 World Cup Final. Today we will see how an American football stadium was transformed into a World Cup stage. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. MetLife Stadium is located in East Rutherford, New Jersey. Two NFL teams, the New York Giants and the New York Jets, play together here. With a capacity of over 82,000 spectators, it is one of the largest stadiums in the United States. But there was a problem for FIFA. The football field seems wider. The players and the camera needed extra space. In other words, there was no choice but to change the geometry inside the entire stadium. The biggest change started with the field. Previously, there was artificial turf, but in the FIFA World Cup, natural grass was used, so the entire old surface was removed. It was not possible to plant grass directly inside the stadium, so more than 7,000 square meters of grass were prepared in advance in a special farm. Then it was brought to New Jersey in a huge truck. After installation, 24-hour maintenance began. LED grow lights, temperature control, humidity sensors, everything just to keep the field World Cup quality. But just changing the grass wasn't enough. The four corners of the stadium are too narrow for a football field. The solution? 1,740 seats were removed. Some of the concrete was cut out and new space was created. The entire stadium was scanned with 3D laser technology. Then the structure was modified with millimeter-level precision. Years of preparation have gone into a final that will last only a few hours. A stadium once built for American football has transformed into the stage for the world's biggest football battle. The grass changed, the structure changed, but not the human ambition to make the impossible possible. MetLife is no longer just a stadium, it's a symbol of transformation.